and I are dancing around. A little bit of music here. Oops, I forgot. Remember this one. Things that you do with your babies. Okay, Maze. I think everyone's enjoyed your dance now. Just basically your head moving around on the screen. I think this song's called Strangers in the Night. But May and I are now like very acquainted in the middle of the night. That's the best time to eat, right? Okay, oh, and there's spin up. Oh, Mama's bouncing you a lot. We better go take care of that. Bye.